Open a tin, and there they are. Rows of glistening golden fish, packed in oil with a rich, smoky aroma. But a few days ago, these were plain little silver fish swimming in a cold sea. This is how sprats are made. It begins with the sprat, a small silver fish, no longer than your finger, that swims in huge shoals in cold northern waters. They're caught by the ton and brought in fresh, packed in ice, ready to be sorted at the factory within hours. At the plant, the fish are first washed in cold water to clean them. Then they're sorted by size, because for a neat, even tin, every fish needs to be roughly the same length. Smaller and larger ones are separated, and anything damaged is removed. Next, the sorted fish are bathed in salt brine. This seasons them all the way through and firms up the flesh so they'll hold their shape through everything that comes next. It's the first step in turning a raw fish into something that will keep for years. Now the fish are carefully arranged for smoking. Traditionally, each one was threaded by hand onto a thin rod. Today, they're laid out in neat rows on fine mesh trays. Either way, they're spaced so that warm smoke can flow freely around every single fish. Then comes the step that defines a sprat. The racks are rolled into a smoking chamber where they're gently cooked in the warm smoke of smoldering wood, often alder. Over the next few hours, the pale silver fish slowly transform, taking on a deep golden color and that unmistakable smoky flavor. This is where a sprat truly becomes a sprat. Once smoked, the golden fish are brought out and left to cool. Their skin is now firm and glossy, their color rich and even, and the whole hall fills with the scent of smoke. Now they're trimmed, the heads are removed and the tails are neatened, often by hand, leaving just the tender, smoked body ready for the tin. It's slow, careful work, and it's why a good tin of sprats looks so perfectly uniform. With the fish in place, the tins are filled with oil, usually a good vegetable oil, along with a pinch of salt. The oil surrounds every fish, sealing in the moisture and the smoky flavor, and giving sprats their signature glossy shine. The filled tins move to a seaming machine, which locks a lid on with a tight double seam in a fraction of a second, sealing everything inside, completely airtight. The sealed tins are then loaded into a large pressure cooker called a retort and heated under pressure. This sterilizes everything inside, destroying any bacteria and making the sprats safe to keep unopened for years. No fridge required. After cooling and drying, each tin is wrapped in its label, then counted, boxed, and stacked onto pallets. Ready to be shipped out to shops and kitchens far and wide. And that's the journey. From a tiny silver fish in a cold sea to a golden delicacy sealed in a tin. So the next time you peel one open, you'll know exactly what went into it. If you enjoyed this, stick around. There's a whole world of everyday things waiting to be taken apart, step by step.